Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. In last week's weekly video report, I concentrated on several different themes that I see going on in the market. First off, we have seen that the New Zealand dollar has been pretty much the weakest currency on the board up until the depth of the pandemic. And I think that that is all changing. And right now I'm seeing emerging strength in the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, against the Canadian dollar, and against some other currency pairs. So what was once the weakest currency on the board, I think is now emerging as one of the strongest players, perhaps in response to the COVID, the pandemic response in that country, where they were able to control it, whereas most other countries are still, rearing out of control. I don't really like to focus on fundamental backdrops, but, again, hard to not come to that kind of conclusion. But notwithstanding, we're seeing a lot of strength in the New Zealand dollar, and I think that that is going to continue. Conversely, we're seeing a lot of weakness, I think, in the metals. We topped out in gold at 2,100, and we've been vacillating between $1,850 and $1,900, forming this descending triangle. And I believe ultimately we're going to burst through that 1850 level, which would open up to a move to $1,750 or lower in gold. So I do think that, notwithstanding the fact we could go sideways for a good deal more, ultimately we'll break the low side of this descending triangle and open up a huge swath lower in gold. Now, I've also been focusing a lot on the Japanese yen pairs. The Japanese yen has been strengthening against a number of different currencies across the board. And I don't see this trend stopping anytime soon. In fact, I do think that it will start picking up steam and that we'll see the dollar yen go lower, the Swiss yen go lower, the pound yen go lower, as the Japanese yen looks like it will continue to strengthen. So if you'd like to understand a little bit more on how I capitalize on monster moves in the markets using price action and price pattern trading methodologies, then I highly suggest you sign up for my weekly video report. Now, this is a no-brainer offer because my weekly video report is available for any price you want to pay. That's right, you nominate the price, click the link below the video, and I look forward to seeing you on next week's weekly video report. So with that said, I wish you guys a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I'll see you next time.